the weekend has rolled on, and we are just about ready to go in Cup semi-final number 2. Let's see them. Well, Chris Stride, tell me, as a man who's won a World Series with this team, how do you keep the cap on the emotion early in these battles?
You'll see the boys will definitely come together and take that breath, and that's what they do so well. You have to reset, take it all in, but you have to calm the nerves. You have to approach each game like any other.
Ruben Keane, the man in the middle, inside this deafening stadium. I know we had the World Cup of Sevens here a couple of months back, but the last time we hosted here was way back in 2019. On that occasion, it was the Blitzboks making it through to the Cup final, going down to New Zealand. An opportunity this weekend to go one better. They need to get past a resurgent Samoa first. The ball in the hands of their little magic man, Ricardo Duarte, who gets us started. The chase is good out wide as well, and that goes over everyone, including the hands of Scanlon. It's in a touch. It'll be a Blitzboks throw to line out.
Yeah, just a good start. Great kickoff there from Tricky Ricky. But JC Pretorius getting up in the air and good set plays to start off.
Oosthuizen's the target here in the middle. It's a late jump and he just backs it up to Duarte. Du Plessis been great all weekend. So too is this guy. Van Wyk snaps it ahead for Soizwapi. Soizwapi won't get it, but shouldn't Van Wyk will. There for the Blitzboks. Samoa counter hard. Soizwapi comes round the corner. Penalty.
Yeah, South Africa just caught playing the ball on the ground. You only got one attempt. You have to put it down. Sweeper didn't fall back. There was a big counteract shot of Van Wyk. Did well to keep his man, but wasn't good enough. The pressure came. And a turnover. Very well done by Samoa, spotting.
Not quite touched though, and here's Ricardo Duarte using feet, launching it across here for Soizwapi, who switches up play late at the line, and now they look at potentially bringing it back in the direction of Du Plessis. Was Fissel with a carriage penalty. Samoa again putting pressure on at the breakdown. They tap and roll through Maliko. One of his side's best this weekend, Maliko. Tidied up in the back beautifully by Pretorius. Oh, they'll get dinged here for bridging well. South Africa's been thrown away as well. The crowd unhappy. And they're about to be a whole lot less impressed. Duarte's gone for 2.
Oh, brutal. Terrible mistake, Duarte. Not smart putting the ball between your legs. Not giving the opportunity for Samoa to play quickly, and yellow card down.
So it's 7 on 6. Samoa looking to capitalise right away. Desperate defence for the Blitzboks. It's loose now. Still in possession of the underdogs, though. They'll go crossfield through Scanlon. Wide now and over through Upper Swap.
Yeah, Samoa deadly. Give them the ball, and that's what they'll do to you. South Africa man down. 6 on the field. He scrambles on defence. The ball got loose and very well managed. And it was never any doubt that he wasn't going to go over. Spots the space. Ryan Westhuizen, not much you can do there. Big force running.
His conversion attempt from Scanlon, and it would just sneak over. And it's a 7-point game. So it's just another 30 seconds that the Blitzboks have to do it without Ricardo Duarte. Lovely take from Soizwapi up high. Now need the Du Plessis. Oosthuizen told to go back to where the restart was taken. He obliges. Pretorius. Fabay. He'll settle on this one. Samoa get over the top, get a good shot on it. Unlucky not to win that penalty back. It was du Plessis switching it late now. Oosthuizen can scatter bodies with ease. Samoa off their feet, the breakdown there, and the penalty goes away in the blitz box. And back comes Ricardo Duarte.
Yeah, South Africa back to 7 minutes, what they needed. Had to fight, no space on the outside. Seeing Professor coming back on the end. Shakes us up, becoming closer, no width on attack. But now back to 7. It's all square. Got some work to do here at the line-out. Samoa, big, tall, strong. You have to get away from that space.
Duarte taking his time. They get bunched at the front there. It's okay though. And down for Duarte, out in front for du Plessis. Du Plessis looking to bring in Soizwapi. Instead they mix it up in the set piece play. Looks okay, but Samoa read it well. They lose their feet. But Ruben Kane says not releasing a call, and the locals do not agree.
Yeah, Samoa fighting for every single hit. Getting nice and loaded. Started with that hit on Ricky. And just being smart now, slowing it down. You see there the tackle is. He goes straight on the ball. He's got all right to do. Lost his footing in the end, but he was good on the ball initially.
Some of those watching on here in South Africa via Supersport might be saying maybe not supporting his weight there though. Chris Tryers, it gets overthrown here and falls to the blitz box. They've been able to get out of their own half with ball in hand through the first 5.5 minutes. Duarte seemingly pinned in this pocket of the field. Fabay looking to get the outside with defence again from Samoa, defending superbly for the moment. Fisher with the du Plessis. Du Plessis was putting it out in front for Pretorius, who was thinking of the late switch, and it goes over the sideline.
Oh, one would have thought, Millie, just back yourself. So much gas. Keep the ball. Pull the other phase. Don't have to score for the first one.
Samoa go to the front, but they will be forced to do it again. Yeah, the winner of this one going through to take on New Zealand in the cup final after they got past the USA moments ago in another cup semi-final classic. Samoa, right for Tuitama. 30 seconds to play in the first half. He's the try scorer. Afa Sua. Good feed from Sionet. Sionet looking to free it up. Instead loses it forward and they want it out to the right. Duarte. Duarte rolling past the couple. There's 3 Samoan jerseys down. Du Plessis to the right. Fabay will just check the run. It'll take a moment and then gets crunched on the other side. Good pressure from Samoa again, causing issues at the breakdown, and the blitz box look up bewildered.
Yeah, tough call. Miller du Plessis thought he kept his weight there. But we'll go into the half 7-0 to Samoa.
Yeah, just the one try to Afa Sua and the subsequent conversion separating the... It's been such a brilliant effort from Samoa. Their defence and their breakdown work so far to limit the strike power of this Blitzbox outfit. We're on a 9-game winning streak on the World Series. So it's Rapi. Takes it and then wears a big shoulder.
Yeah, got to get it right there. Good initial hit, but then you have to stay in the fight. You can't come around. South Africa back in their set piece. Previous weekend often opting for the scrum, but now line out. Good platform for them to start off.
Well, they're trying to boost the tempo, aren't they? Samoa have done such a good job of just slowing things down, working at their own pace, and it's come off. Duarte on the fade goes Oosthuizen, down to Duarte, Duplessis midfield. Van Dijk, almost through. Soizwapi with a pick can go, it's scrappy at the back. Oosthuizen has to tidy up, penalty South Africa. Now they tap and go, looking to juice Samoa and bring the crowd into the contest. Visser with a late switch, Pretorius. Samoa not rolling away, not penalised, so it's slow coming away. Now the penalty advantage. Oosthuizen, Van Dijk. That's a tough one for Duarte, who just checks his run into it. Now holds his feet, puts it away here for Duplessis, who can't hang on. And what will we play here, the scrum or the line out?
Yeah, probably go for the scrum. If it's offered. The Samoa team just so hungry on defence, working so hard. They're not defending in ones and twos, they're defending in sixes.
South Africa don't compete. They get their defensive line set. They've brought Adonis into the play. Samoa will kick. Down to Duarte. Looking for a kind bounce and not really getting it. And he's met immediately there by Tuitama. Now he finds the ground. Oh, look out. Good hands here for Van Dijk. Van Dijk switching play. But he missed the target. That was Oosthuizen. And here they are again, this white wall of Samoan jerseys. Playing the halfback with the call. It's penalty after penalty after penalty here against Samoa. And I think Ruben Keane's had enough.
Stop. Okay.
Yeah, discipline.
Wait, two.
Both ends.
Do not speak to me like that again. I will reverse it. Pardon? Do not speak to me like that. Scrum.
The ref just stomping his authority, Sir Iowa, so I'm not going to take any of that from you. But the Blitzbox now an opportunity. 7 bringing on some fresh legs, Dane Davids and Dalvin Blood. What an exciting sensation he's been. It's been reversed, been pulled back.
Who's the go-to here? Chris Wright. Who's the man the Blitzbox need to inject to put themselves back in the fight?
Yeah, when you look at Charles Van Beek, he has been unbelievable the whole weekend. You know, he's got those jet shoes on, but he's well worked and well defended.
Duarte, can he split them? Duarte inviting Adonis on the switch. Adonis gets through Adonis. Good pace. He might not have enough. Adonis brought down heavily. 10 from the line. He's lost it. He's lost it. Wow, Samoa desperate with the chase.
Yeah, South Africa, he asked the question of lost opportunities here, but it came from that looking after the ball. Oh, you have to tackle, just keep it, take the hit.
Going inside the final
Without delay now, please.
quarter now.
Time off, please. Right, time
And it's Samoa who are down to 6. Trying to slow the clock down.
All right, time back on, please. Crowd. 5. Set.
Samoa under pressure, they'll just kick.
Guys, wait.
Scanlon with a nice touch find. It'll just continue to work that clock in favour of the men out of the Pacific.
Yeah, again, Samoa's still got only 6 on the park. You know, sometimes you want to keep it in hand until you get that 7th man. See how they defend, they've still got 3 on the outside, 2 in the line-out. Smart move.
Oosthuizen down for Duarte. Adonis over for Van Dijk. That's a really great ball. And he gets slammed on the deck. Here come the Blitzbox. They go quick now. Moving it to the edges. Visser over for Davids. Zane Davids. So strong in contact. Visser quickly away here. Duarte lining up runners to the outside. Van Vaart drops 6 away. Penalty midfield. No advantage taken. Oosthuizen. Oosthuizen. Ryan Oosthuizen comes up big for Sylvan Davids and the rest of the fans here in Cape Town. Nobody was stopping that man that close.
You know, Ryan Oosthuizen with the injection of force. He wasn't going any other way when he called for the ball. He was going straight, and straight he went.
7-7, the score now. A reminder that the winner here will go on to face New Zealand in the Cup final. Will it be a repeat of 2019 where it was the Blitzboks and the All Black Sevens going at it?
So tight this game. 7-7, it could go anywhere. 1 minute 29 on the clock. And all comes down to this kickoff. Look after this.
What have Samoa got left in the locker? They have defended so well for so long that their only blip moments ago, where they were down to 6 men, back to 7 now. 7 on 7, 7-7 to score, 90 seconds to go.
I don't want to play with him there. So, Anthony, we can't play with him there. Yeah.
It's Paul Scanlon down in back play, and referee Ruben Keane cleverly says, just park it for a moment.
Yeah, Doctor just calling him off safety first in this game. He took a big knock there from Ryan Oosthuizen and put his body on the line. You can see his face, he wants to stay on the block. But you mentioned how much does Samoa still have in the tank. Well, if you look at them, they're ready to go. They're in the fight.
Samoa haven't made the Cup final since 2019. That was way back in Las Vegas, the USA. The Blitzboks haven't lost a Cup semi-final since 2020. What a pinpoint kick to restart play from Duarte. And now it's the Blitzboks' turn to rush and defend. A great charge though from Hewitt, takes him past the 22, that ball's out. No, it's not. Keane says no, and Upper Sewer just hooks one over the top. Duarte in coverage, he needs to take it and dodge the tackle and does so. Now there's help through Visser. Murphy gets in a hand here from Davids. Visser's there, they're calling for a wide left. Better passing this time round. To the outside goes Blood. Blood there with a late switch. Coming back to Duplessis. Duplessis with the settler right on halfway. Good work in the breakdown as well. The Blitzboks going back for it. There is Murphy. Murphy holding his feet, popping now. Good hands over the top. In the end, Duarte's back there to tidy up. Duarte looking to pop it up, can't do so. Samoa fighting for the ball on the ground. They won't get it. Away from Blood. This is Visser. Visser back for Blood. Blood laying it off for Visser. Every pass so key and crucial. Zane Davids will bounce in field. Short on numbers. That's the full-time siren. Lost. And for some reason, oh no. For some reason, Blood looked up and just left it there. And it could easily have been a try to Samoa. We're going to extra time. They can't be split. We're going for extra moments.
Guys all over the park on their knees. They've given everything and it's that crucial moment. And it's brutalizing stuff. 23 tackles from Samoa, only 3 from South Africa. And that man Selwyn Davids, he can't take it anymore. Cover his eyes.
He thought it was tough representing.
Tails is the ball. Tails it is. Okay. We're receiving. Okay. What direction would you like to run? We'd like to run in the direction. Okay. So Samoa will pick right to left. Okay. Go.
Oh, Chris Stride, take me inside the mind of the locals here as a guy who's played in front of them.
Yeah, it's tough. Call to make, do you receive, do you kick? But the call's been made, they want to receive, they want the ball. They want to build up an attack. But look how motivated the Samoan team is. And Gorbo giving his orders. And what matchups we've seen today.
The winner here going on to face New Zealand for the top prize in Cape Town. Was Samoa, who led by 7 in the break. Their try coming through Upper Sua. Ryan Oosthuizen with a couple of play. Jammed one in for South Africa to make it 7-7. And they'll continue to run in the same direction they did in the second half. Will the blitz box? They will receive the start to extra time.
You know, a slight breeze behind their backs, and I think that's a better decision. You look at the lineup, they've got 3 quads in front, 1 on the side. Miller du Plessis, all on the end. They want to avoid that contest at all costs. Samoa's so good at the kickoffs.
Late switch in terms of replacements with Fun Bate going back on the field. Okay. Into extra time we head in our second cup semi-final. Samoa, the underdogs, sending this restart high. It's well weighted a loss. This might be a penalty. No, it is now. And Samoa having a look at the posts.
Felt like he came behind the ball. It's a tough decision. Big call to make.
They will try and snap a shot. It's into the breeze here.
Come on, let's go. Get
It's
to
into
it,
the
boy.
breeze. And it's Falaniko looking to put his team
You've got 15 seconds now.
into their first cup final since Vegas 2019. Falaniko to become the hero for Samoa. Falaniko, it's good!
Yes!
And just like that, it's a walk-off penalty goal for Samoa.
Oh, you just see the excitement of the Samoan team, what it means when you put the home crowd quiet. And it's a big win for the Samoan team. Over the Blitzbox, they come so far. You see what it means to him. There's tears and joy all around. And in the contrast, the Blitzbox who have to settle for third, fourth playoff.
The Blitzbox can't believe it. Not many can around the stadium in Cape Town. And Fatboy Falaniko, it never looks like missing. Get there, guys. It's good. Okay, let's try and soak up some of the action. Ken Laban's with the Samoa boss.
Thank you, Shawnee. Malo Lavlo Soy for Mulianga Tilly. Congratulations, great win. Ja, we waren maar serieus maar after the tour. Talong am South Africa being it's a great win. It's an opportunity for us to make it to the final for the first time since 2019. I think the boys play really well. I think all this week and last week we just focused on ourselves, what we did wrong, and to try and eliminate mistakes or to cut down mistakes. And this game against South Africa is really tough, and I think the boys they play with their heart out.
The disappointment of Dubai, the boys have done well to bounce back.
Yeah, after Dubai and we focus here in South Africa, and all this week, like I said before, we all focus to ourselves, what we did wrong, and thank God that we make it to the final.
Yeah, Malo Lava also, all the best for the final. Good luck.
Yeah, 15 keer again, 15. Ooh.